Insert trauma-specific coracoid positioning hook and wrap to fit coracoid base. Guide pin sleeve locator inserted closely along clavicle posterior edge. 3.0 mm combo drill creates clavicle coracoid base tunnel. Remove guide pin sleeve, guide handle and positioning hook. Use 5.1 mm depth limited drill to ream clavicle single cortex. Unscrew inner core guide pin. Pass guide wire through hollow drill to exterior. Tie guide wire to traction suture of looped titanium plate. Pull out through bone tunnel. Deploy butterfly-shaped titanium plate and pull back to coracoid base. Alternately pull suture loop to reduce, trim excess suture. Use distal clavicle locking plate for internal fixation of fracture site. Create clavicle coracoid base bone tunnel. Place butterfly-shaped titanium plate on coracoid base. Pull and insert looped titanium plate into locking plate hole.